number 3 program, we write the program, prompt the user to enter a character and the size of square. At this moment, the start of program allows you to use for loop. So you use for loop to create the square. The reason is you know exactly how many size you do for loop to create. And you use while loop to control the user's input. So if user do not provide anything between 2 to 10, you really do not allow user to continue. The program will stop until user gave us the appropriate input. So you run this program right now. So if I put the right answer 5 and I put a pound sign, I got 5 by 5. Okay, now I'm going to run this program again. I am going to put 20. 20 is not in the range, so it won't allow you to do it. And you say 100. Now it won't allow you to do it until you press anything they wanted 6, and that's put percentage sign, and the program ends. Alright, so this is a program demonstrate for you to use a for loop and to allow you to repeat. Use while loop to allow you to control user input. So here I'm going to end another one, say do. Alright, so let me do while and go to the first one here. Alright, do while loop. Is okay? And so I am going to do this. I'm going to copy everything right here. It's okay? Everything right here. Is okay? And I'm going to put Control X and put inside here. It's okay? Put inside here. So what I'm going to put a do while. So this is a process. Is okay? Then I am going to use here, I'm going to use 0 to stop. Alright, 0 to stop, because the square cannot be 0. Is that right? Or we can use something, but I'm going to use 0. 0 is my sentinel. So I'm going to say size, alright, not equal to 0. It's okay? So I am going to do all these as long as my size is not equal to 0. Okay? So I'm going to run this program right now. Alright, and I'm going to do this here right now. Hold on, let me see. I believe I need to do this. Okay, let me do it right here. Alright, run as Java application. It's okay. So I'm going to run this right now. So I'm going to put 4 and enter and pound. Alright, so now it will allow me to enter character again. Alright, so 9. So we're going to modify this program as a do while loop. Okay, so we're going to modify this program with a do while loop. So what happened is you do, and we put the sentinel is not equal to 0. If you do that, you have to control. You have to read again here. Okay, we allow this work, and you control right here, and this will allow your program to end. So let's run this program right one more time. Run, and I run this program right now. So exactly the same thing. Okay, if I do 5, okay, and I do pound sign, perfect. Alright, now if I say 20 and I use while loop to block it, alright, so it doesn't work. I use 100, I use while loop to block my user input, so this is no good right now. So I'm going to put 6. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to put $sign. Now, and I use do while loop because do while loop allows you to have a process. You process already. Now I'm going to put 0 and to end the program. Alright, So this program uses 3 type of loop. First, for loop and to allow you to create a 2-dimensional array. And we use while loop to control the user input. We use do while loop to allow user to continue with a condition. You read the size again. If the size not equal to 0, we stop. So this application allows you to have three type of the while loop. With 3 type of iteration repeat. There's a for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay.